Hey guys, it's me Deepthi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Something Interesting with Deepthi. And from now onwards, every Friday, I'm going to be doing something really interesting. I am going to bring a segment called Foodie Friday for you all. The idea is just to give you a kickstart for your weekend ahead. I am from India and primarily my taste buds are primarily Indian. But through this Foodie Friday, I'm going to try a lot of cuisines which I have never ever tried in my life. But like I said, because my taste buds are primarily Indian, I wanted to start this trail with Indian food. And if you have been living here in Singapore, you would agree with me that Singapore is a foodie's heaven. You can find food from all parts of the world on this red dot. And to begin my food journey here, I have come here to Triumphs, which is the national monument of Singapore, and it holds a very significant place definitely in the history as well. But today it has also hosts a lot of eateries here, and like I said that I am going to start my trail with Indian food, so I am going to go to Anglo-Indian Cafe and Bar. Now why did I choose that? Because my social media timeline is flooded with a lot of posts where a lot of my friends have come to Anglo-Indian Cafe and Bar and feasted on their chole bhatures. Now they have a weekend special going on, and I think it's going to go on for a long time now. And the weekend special is that, you know, chole bhature brunch kind of a thing, and it starts at 11 and it goes on till 2:30. And I will highly advise you to make your reservations well in advance so that you don't get disappointed at the end moment. So I am here to taste the chola bhaturas, because all of my friends have been going gaga about it, how they were, you know, it was like a walk down the memory lane for them when they actually ate it. So how like, I just want to see if it meets my expectations, because I am from Delhi and I have, trust me, have had some of the best chola bhaturas in the world in Delhi. So will it match up to my expectations? That remains to be seen. Quite a happening place at the moment. So here I am waiting for my food to arrive at Anglo-Indian Cafe and Bar, and I've already ordered chole bhature and aloo puri. Okay, so our food has just arrived and I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of what we are gonna have. So this is the potato gravy. These are the famous cholas. As far as the look goes, I have to say that they have nailed it, and we need to just wait a little bit more to taste it. So this is a little salad of onions, lemon and green chilies. This is mixed pickle, and these are the crowning glory here, the moment. So these are the bhaturas and the puris. So the puris go well with the potato gravy, and bhaturas definitely go well with the cholas. So before it gets cold, we need to start we have to dig in. And this is the Amritsari kulcha which we were just served, and this is part of this brunch. So the food looks very lavish and interesting, and I really can't wait to dig in. So the food looks good, it smells good, and it's time to taste the food now. So I'm gonna first try the bhatura. And little bit of cholas. And sprinkle a little bit of lemon. And there's heaven on my plate. You know, it reminded me of the days when we used to bunk college and go to this place in Lajpat Nagar to have these chola bhaturas. And yes, please. So it is a brunch service and a buffet kind of a service, so you can have as many chola bhaturas as you want. And like I was telling you, so it just reminded me, just the first bite itself reminded me of my college days when we used to bunk the college for this chola bhatura guy who used to sell chola bhaturas only during the afternoon just for 2 hours, and there used to be such a long queue because his chola bhaturas were like yum. And this, just a single bite, actually took me back to those days. So let me focus on food, talk less, eat more. Actually, chola bhaturas are very popular, especially in the northern parts of India, in the north of India. And if you ever go to Delhi or Punjab, do try to savor the local delicacies. It is a little bit, you know, and if you add a little bit of lemon in it, the taste enhances. So, and if you guys are planning to come to Anglo-Indian Cafe and Bar, I again have to tell you that you must book your table well in advance because it gets really crowded during the weekends, and this brunch is only available on Saturdays and Sundays, 11 in the morning to 2:30 in the afternoon, and I think it costs $14.80 for a buffet. So it's a win-win deal because the taste is a winner, the looks are the winner, and the price is a winner too. I have to try the potato with the tomato gravy as well, which I'm gonna do. But first, I want to just savor this. And after feasting myself with that bhatura, I'm gonna try these puris. These are made of wheat flour, and I'm gonna try these with the potato gravy. And I am a die-hard lemon fan, so a little bit of lemon goes in there. Pop the puri, and it's hot. You know, I might get emotional while eating this puri because it reminds me of my mom. The potato gravy is also very nice. Mildly spiced. It's not very spicy. You can feel the tanginess, and the lemon of course has enhanced the taste. So I have to say this thing that, you know, it's a very good place to hang out with your friends or with your family. Why? Because I really like the food, I like the ambience, and I have to mention about the staff. They are super kind, super alert to what you need. They are very good with children as well, and their service is also very fast. So I think it's a win-win situation for anyone with kids, because your kids will be busy eating, or even if they are not eating, they can enjoy the place here. And for the family and friends, yes, it's a very good place to hang out with them and make some memories over food. So I'm ending my brunch here at Anglo-Indian Cafe and Bar with a cup of masala tea. And I would say that, you know, I really enjoyed my time here. Not just the food, but the people also. Because I always feel that it's a complete experience whenever you go to a place. It's never just the food, it is the people who are serving you. So I could feel their love and attention, and I think that reflected in the food as well. And I'm really thankful for my time here, that I came. Thanks to all the friends who had posted about Anglo-Indian Cafe and Bar on their social media timelines. Hello, see, I met a friend as well. No, please come. Please come. See, like I was saying, this place becomes a budding, a buzzing place for all the family and friends to come and meet. So she just shied away and just went away because she thought that I was recording. But yeah, that's what the magic of this place is. That you bump into friends, you bring your friends, and you make some more memories. So here I am with a cup of masala tea to just end my brunch, and I hope you enjoyed this show. I will try and be doing a few Foodie Fridays. The aim is to at least do 2 Foodie Fridays a month. Let's see how it goes. But today I really enjoyed eating and shooting as well. I hope you enjoyed it as well. So if you liked it, please do subscribe to my channel, Something Interesting with Deepti, because we will be doing a lot of interesting things. We'll be talking to a lot of interesting people, and we will be going to a lot of interesting places. And when you subscribe, please do not forget to press that bell icon. And I will meet you again on Sunday, which is going to be the Super Sunday. So stay tuned and see you again.